Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze guys and you're trying to find where the front left crash impact sensor is located, actually left front impact crash air sensor is located and the right front impact crash airbag sensor is located, stay with us, we'll explain where they are and how to get to them. Now, you have two impact sensors on the front, but those are known as front ones. We're talking today about the side ones. Side ones are the ones that actually trigger the side airbags, guys. So stay with us and we'll explain where they are. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do, guys, here at the shop and all the free information that we provide to you. If you guys want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get parts for your car and tools for a really good price as well. So we have a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole first generation Chevy Cruze, guys. And as I said, you have front sensors, but that's not the video we're talking about today. Okay, left front, right front. We're talking about side, left front, guys. Now, if you guys open your driver's door, okay, and this is the left front side airbag sensor, guys. Okay, right there. We remove that cover here for the seat belt. Okay, that goes down, and right here, guys, that's where the side left front airbag sensor is located. Right here, one of them. Now you have one just like that on the passenger side. It's known as side right front airbag sensor or crash impact sensor as well, guys. So it is under that black cover there as well, right there. So all we have to do, remove it, guys. If you want to see the video on the channel how to replace that sensor, just search for a seatbelt replacement and we'll show you how to remove that cover there. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.